Oh, hi. I am Elvie. I am not from around here. I actually came from a planet in the Pleiades star cluster. That's about 440 light years from Earth. That's quite a trip. It takes about 48 hours to get here.
We were told it was safe. We were told it was right. But they didn't say what happens when you lose your fight. We lined up for the needle, no questions asked. But now we're walking shadows, a part of the past. Something's crawling in our veins, a twist we didn't see. The world's been under siege by powers we can't conceive. Aliens in the shadows, pushing their disguise. The reptilians were watching, laughing at our cries. Vaccine zombies, what have we become? Lost in the system, no place to run. The Greys and the Nordics tried to warn our race, but the reptilians hid in the cold embrace. Vaccine zombies, are we still alive? Or just a shell trying to survive? The sky was dark, the world was scared. They told us it was over, that they really cared. In the quiet night, behind closed doors, the aliens made their move, took us to war. The serum's in our blood, but it's not just the flu. It's an alien design, what did they do to you? Greys tried to fight, the Nordics raised their shield, but the reptilians are ruthless, they control the fields. Vaccine zombies, what have we become? Lost in the system, no place to run. The Greys and the Nordics tried to warn our race, but the reptilians hid in the cold embrace. Vaccine zombies, are we still alive? Or just a shell trying to survive? The truth's been buried deep, it's all a game. We thought we were safe, but we're all the same. The good ones whispered, tried to break the chain, but the bad ones ruled with greed and pain. Vaccine zombies, what have we become? Lost in the system, no place to run. The Greys and the Nordics trying to warn our race, but the reptilians hid in the cold embrace. Vaccine zombies, are we still alive? Or just a shell trying to survive? We're walking dead, but the war's not over yet. The good aliens will rise, we'll make them regret.
You're saying there's no playing. Love's taking a hold on you. It's well taken. There's no faking. Love's shaping Do you dream of you and me? 8,000 miles, I'll fly across the sea. And when I give it all, I'll give it all to you. Befriending, a happy ending, love shaping a mold for me. Sweet dreaming, your face is gleaming, love's taking a hold on you. And you, only you know that this has to be it. You're all that matters to me. 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 You're all that matters to me.
Hello, I am Ava and a colleague of Elvie. We have a dire situation on Earth. Earlier today, your video conversation with Elvie was intercepted by the reptilians, and Elvie was taken, against her will, to the laboratory, which is on an island just behind this house.
In the depths beneath the earth they hide, with eyes like fire and a hunger inside. Shape-shifting monsters, a secret so deep, they rule in silence while the world sleeps. Draconis, they came to play. Blood drinkers in shadows, they hold sway. A conspiracy born from the stars above. The rulers of darkness, hiding in the dust. They wear the faces of men, deceiving the blind. But the truth is clear if you open your mind. Walking through the ruins,
to take control, but the truth in your eyes, it burns so bright. A warrior of love, you win this fight and give humanity a better chance. With the changes you made with the cosmic dance, but now they've got plans, darkened up scene to bring the world down, to wipe us clean. But you're the one who knows that dirty scheme, reptilian lies, the pirate's dream. It took you away, but I won't back down. I'll take on the world, I'll take on the crowd. Oh, hey, the most beautiful girl in the galaxy. Your love was a promise, a light that set me free. From the stars you came with a vision so divine. Now I'll fight for you across the sands of time. The reptilians may try to take you away, but I'll never stop, I'll never stray. LV, oh LV, you're the one I'll say. The most beautiful girl in the galaxy, you're being brave. Found the antidote, and now it's time to break the chains, to cross the line. LV, you'll never be their prey. We'll fight the dark, we'll find a way. From the Pleiades of ours, we stand as one. The battle's not over, it's just begun. With you by the side. We were told it was safe, we were told it was right, but they didn't say what happens when you lose your fight. We lined up for the needle, no questions asked, but now we're walking shadows, a part of the past. Something's crawling in our veins, a twist we didn't see. The world's been under siege by powers we can't conceive. Aliens in the shadows, pushing their disguise. The reptilians were watching, laughing.